Unlimited buffet starting at just rupees 5.99 only at Barbecue Nation's Jom Jomat Lunch Buffet, and it's loaded with new items. Enjoy new starters like methi malai fool, basil fish tikka, tangri kali mirch, murk kasula, rubian meshwi, along with live counter specials and live barbecue grill. For main course, don't forget to try the new veg specials like vatana curry, sabzi palak kofta, Kashmiri pulao, aloo dum, broccoli corn mahalak, and for non-veg enjoy new delights like chicken chettinad, shorshe mach, demade hingi, along with good old mutton kosha and Kolkata chicken biryani. Try out their new dessert additions like mango mousse, mango firni, pineapple pastry, fudge cake, along with unlimited ice creams and different variety of kulfis. Planning a special lunch or corporate meet? Barbecue Nation is the perfect spot. Book now and celebrate today at Barbecue Nation.